Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by forcing the taskbar to retract. Open taskbar settings and enable auto-hide so it only appears on mouse hover. This immediately removes most intrusions. Once done, close any apps that post persistent notifications or overlays because those wake the taskbar. Make sure you know which monitor and scaling you're using. Different DPI or multiple displays commonly break full-screen handling. These steps give you immediate feedback and isolate whether the issue is app-specific or system-wide. Next, you'll perform the heavier fixes. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it. This forces the taskbar to reinitialize and often fixes sticky visibility. While that runs, update your GPU drivers because driver bugs disrupt exclusive full-screen. Also inspect the app's compatibility and run it without compatibility layers. Some modes force a windowed full screen that triggers the bar. Finally, disable taskbar pin, overlays, and enable focus. Assist to suppress notifications. Finish by aligning system settings. Toggle the setting to show the taskbar on all displays if you use multiple monitors, then retest full screen. This often resolves cross-monitor focus issues. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or test in safe mode to rule out third-party utilities. Make sure to restart the system after changes. One key troubleshooting tip: create a temporary user profile. If full screen behaves there, the problem is in your user settings and can be reset without reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.